Jinnah Sindh Medical University is a degree-awarding institution situated in the heart of the metropolis of Karachi. Named after Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the university follows the Qaid's vision of educating and training the youth to face the challenges of tomorrow. Since its inception in 2012, Jinnah Sindh Medical University has become one of Pakistan's leading institutions of medical learning and research. Consisting of 5 institutions along with more than 5,000 enrolled students, the university is currently the largest institution of medical science in the province of Sindh.
Jinnah Sindh Medical University came into being by the upgradation of the Sindh Medical College, which was established in 1973 by the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the Prime Minister of that time. Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, keeping in view the demand in future for the doctors and the postgraduates, has established 7 new medical colleges. Sindh Medical College was one of them. In 2012, Sindh Medical College was upgraded as a university and was named as Jinnah Sindh Medical University. This was made on the demand of the alumni, which wanted its college to be upgraded as a university. The President of Pakistan at that time, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, presided the meeting, and the ordinance was signed by the Governor Ishratul Ibad Khan in the presence of the Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Qaim Ali Shah.
Recognized by regulatory bodies like the Higher Education Commission and Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, Jinnah Sindh Medical University aspires to be among the leading national universities. The university constantly upgrades equipment and programs to stay in step with global trends in medical education. Memberships of online educational networks ensure students access to digital libraries worldwide, air-conditioned lecture halls, audiovisual facilities, biometric and facial recognition attendance, modern laboratories, libraries, and a new fleet of 17 buses are part of the university infrastructure. At present, 5 institutions are operating under Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Sindh Medical College. Sindh Medical College is one of the oldest public medical colleges of Karachi. The first batch of about 200 students were admitted to first-year MBBS in 1973. It became a constituent college of Jinnah Sindh Medical University in year 2012.
The quality of faculty at SMC is at par with the requirements of Higher Education Commission as well as the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. Pakistan Medical Dental Council as well as Higher Education Commission has set some rules for the qualification of teachers, especially the instructors. Then there are some requirements for the assistant professors, some requirements for the associate professors, and even some requirements for the professors.
The Sindh Medical College provides training and learning for young doctors at 3 nationally acclaimed hospitals: Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center, National Institute of Child Health, and the National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases.
Jinnah Hospital has the affiliation of Sindh Medical College, Jinnah Sindh Medical University, and from 3rd year onward there is a clinical posting of the students over here. Then in final year also there is a clinical posting of the students here.
An international grade professional development center, state-of-the-art biochemistry lab, a plastic bone bank, specimen museum, plastic museum, forensic museum are part of the Sindh Medical College facilities.
My name is Usman Shabir, and joining Sindh Medical College was the best decision I had made for my career.
The Sindh Institute of Oral Health Sciences. The Sindh Institute of Oral Health Sciences was established on 15th of November 2014. It offers a 4-year Bachelor's of Dental Sciences with state-of-the-art facilities. It aims to be internationally recognized as a leader in dental education, research, patient care, and community service.
at Sindh Institute of Oral Health Sciences, we are providing this service, health service, around 200 patients per day. And Alhamdulillah, we have a very good quality, very hygienic the quality we are providing, including the sterilization, and we are very much focused for the sterilization as well, because generally we have a perception in the government institution that the sterilization is not good.
Sindh Institute of Oral Health Sciences offers top-of-the-line facilities like dental labs, oral pathology lab, a dental museum, 3 OPDs, and executive clinics. APNA Institute of Public Health. APNA Institute of Public Health was inaugurated on December 26, 2013 to be the Center of Excellence for Public Health Training, Research and Service. It offers diplomas and postgraduate degrees to healthcare professionals.
At APNA Institute of Public Health, we are offering Master of Science in Public Health, which is a 2-year degree program. It is a thesis-based degree where the students have to take 50 credit hours. 6 credit hours amongst them are assigned for the thesis, which includes doing research, writing a thesis, and then defending that thesis.
The Institute has 5 lecture halls and a digital library equipped with latest statistical packages and software, and a skills lab equipped with simulators about reproductive health and saving lives.
I'm Dr. Abiha Batul, and I'm honored that I'm enrolled here as a Master's in Public Health Science student. And I would just say that the environment over here is very nice. The teachers are very friendly, and the administration also cooperate with us.
Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Expansion of healthcare sector worldwide has created an ever-increasing demand for trained pharmacists. Inaugurated in 2014, the Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences offers undergraduate and postgraduate programs according to the guidelines of Pharmacy Council of Pakistan and the Higher Education Commission.
Here in this institute, we already started for the last 4 years PharmD program, that is Doctor of Pharmacy, and inshallah very soon we are going to embark our new postgraduate program in MPhil and PhD courses also.
Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences offers modern facilities to its students, like anatomy lab, organic chemistry lab, library, and computer labs with high-quality learning and teaching resources.
What was my contingency plan turned out to be the best decision of my life yet. The best thing about this institute is that all the teachers are very enthusiastic and energetic and strive together with students to provide a better education.
Institute of Health and Business Management and Social Sciences. The Institute of Health and Business Management and Social Sciences offers undergraduate and postgraduate programs to healthcare professionals. The Institute's vision is to be the nation's leading public school of health and business management, with programs tailored to meet the needs of both the fields.
We offered the MBA program in hospital and healthcare management, and BBA program in hospital and healthcare management in particular, but in general we are also offering EMBA program for the executive MBA and BBA journal, MBA journal.
Institute of Health and Business Management offers modern facilities like computer labs and library services. For complete details on programs and admission criteria, please visit www.jsmu.edu.pk. Jinnah Sindh Medical University has an advanced IT infrastructure. 4 computer labs have more than 200 latest computers. Its state-of-the-art data center remains operational around the clock. Jinnah Sindh Medical University also provides fully centralized free Wi-Fi internet facilities to students, faculty, and staff. The newly built video conference room of Jinnah Sindh Medical University is equipped with latest equipment, making possible live interactive lectures in ultra-high definition from any part of the world. Jinnah Sindh Medical University has recently built an international standard diagnostics lab and blood bank with microbiology labs, hematology labs, biochemistry and immunology labs, histopathology and cytology labs, molecular diagnostics and blood donors screening services.
Jinnah Sindh Medical University is now the largest medical university in the province of Sindh. We do not only focus on education, our focus is also on your character building and on extracurricular activities. Those who come here, when they leave, they become one of the best, not only doctors to serve the community, but one of the best human beings that we all need, this country needs, to serve the ailing humanity. Thank you.